Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Donnie here. So in this video we are going to be replacing the rear windshield wiper on 2021 Toyota Highlander. This is a 4th generation Highlander, and I'm pretty sure the process is going to be very similar for other Highlanders as well, with previous generations. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start the process, we're just going to press it here and then push it out as such. As you can see, there are small tabs here, one on each side that holds it inside, and then once it's out, we can just lift it up. There you go. Just be careful, this is all plastic. I mean, although it is a hard plastic, it still may break, so you don't want to yank it out or, you know, press it too hard. So if you don't feel it's, you know, it's actually doing its thing, don't force it. And then this arm should come off like this, and now we're just gonna remove this wiper blade. There you go. Just lift it up slowly, and then this should come off easily by just pulling it straight out. There you go. This is how it looks, and here is the arm itself for reference, so you guys can see how it actually stays in there. There you go. Now we're going to put the new wiper blades, and now we are going to replace it with this windshield wiper. This is RainX Expert Fit. This is R-12-A rear, so it should work on this Highlander, and I'm pretty positive that this will work on 3rd generation Highlander as well. So here's the new one. This is the new one. The one on top and the bottom one is actually the old one. So according to my research, 12 should work on this, but by looking at it, I'm seeing the older one was actually a little shorter. It was 10 inches, whereas this one is actually 12. But I measured it by looking at the arm, the windshield wiper arm, and it looks like it will fit just fine. So I'm still gonna go ahead and install this, and hopefully it'll work. So stay tuned. So the installation part is basically everything in reverse. Just line it up with that arm, and then you press it, and it should look like this. After that, we're just slowly gonna put the arm down, and as you can see, it's low. So if you look at the old pattern here, the old windshield wiper pattern, so it's a little bit much, it's sticking out, but it should still be able to wipe it all the way to the top here. So if anything, it will cover more surface. And now we close this piece as well, so let's go ahead and give it a try. That's all there is to it. So as you can see, it works. And to be quite honest, I may actually replace this with 10-inch, a smaller size that's identical to the original, just because I'm noticing it's kind of skipping right over here. So I'm thinking right in the center, it's probably touching this piece right here, the spoiler, and that's how it lifts the center portion of the blade, and skipping in the middle. So there isn't any noticeable scratch or anything like that I've seen, so I don't know, but it's up to you. You can still roll it with this 12, or just get a 10-inch size, and then you should be good to go. The main purpose of the video was to just show you guys how to remove, how to lift this arm up so you can actually replace it. So and this video actually does it. So I end up actually getting Bosch H252. It turns out that this is the most similar in terms of size-wise windshield wipers. Here's the original OEM, and here's the Bosch. They look very much alike, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this. This is it. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye.